Yo, what is good? I am Richie Kim, and welcome back to another video on Richie Revs. Today is finally the day. I have been kind of hyping this up for a while. It's just something, that I've been waiting for a really long time, and I've been debating doing this for a really long time. But I finally pulled the trigger a couple months ago. The parts are finally here. So yeah, I am getting the ADRO bumper installed on my car. I don't know very many Dravit Gray, G80, G82s with the ADRO bumper, so I think it's gonna look super sick. And if you all have been watching my videos, you've probably definitely heard me say in the past that I do like the ADRO bumper, but not necessarily on the G80. I do think it does look a little bit better on the G82. I just think it suits the proportions of that car a little bit better than this. But I have been seeing a few more G80s with the ADRO, and I think it actually does still look pretty damn good. It does throw off the proportions slightly, but honestly, I still think it looks really, really good. So yeah, I finally pulled the trigger. The parts are in. I'm actually going to King's Auto Body. They were recommended to me directly from ADRO. So I'm on my way to Huntington Beach right now. I'm gonna drop off the car for a few days. They're gonna, prep the bumper and everything. When I get there, I'll show you what the bumper looks like before they do any work, because these bumpers do require a little bit of work. It's not just direct plug and play. They have to do some prep to it. They have to iron out any kinks or things like that. It's just it's not perfect straight from the factory. So they do have to do some things and take care of it before they can paint it and install it. But yeah, like I said, when we get there, I'll show you all what it looks like. And then there's gonna be a little time skip. I should actually have the car back in a few days, and it'll be all painted and stuff, but I'll still have to wait to get it PPF'd and whatever. I think the paint's got to cure for, I think they said 60 to 90 days to be safe, just in case something does go wrong with the installation, it doesn't mess up the paint. But yeah, super excited. I have been wanting to do this for a long time, and it's finally happening. So who knows when this video will go up? Maybe next week, we'll see. But yeah, I mean, this car will probably show up at OC Cars and Coffee or one of the other meets that I go to. So keep an eye out if you are in the area. Let me know what you all think. But I mean, yeah, this is just something that I've wanted forever, and I'm really, really excited.
1 week later.
All right, the car's done.
Should we take a look?
Yeah, let's take a look. What's the change? You guys should already know by. Oh my God!
It changes it a lot.
I did it. It does, yeah. It looks a lot more aggressive. Damn.
No more birds up in there.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
See, this is the reason I did the mod right here. I have this mesh grill, so no birds can get back here. Oh well, except I guess behind this thing, but.
What are the chances it goes in that hole then?
I know, right? Not that high, right? But damn. Dude, this looks so nice.
All the carbon too.
Yep. I got the full carbon, the lip, the brake ducts, the grill. Shit's fucking clean. Wow. Shout out to King's Auto Body. They did a hella good job. Shout out to Memo. He's super responsive. He basically told me every step of the process, what they were doing when they were doing it. So shout out to these guys. They did a hell of a job. Install went great. Paint looks really good. This thing's crazy now.
Just waiting for the sun to come out.
Yeah, I really want to see what the paint looks like in the sun, but like I already said, it looks pretty good. It matches. I just gotta wait a little bit for this thing to get PPF'd, and then my car will be pretty much complete, at least for the next like a couple of years or so. So, whew, it was definitely worth the wait. I wish I did this from the beginning though, rather than getting the other carbon parts, but yeah. Damn. Oh,
There's another G80 over there too.
dude, this is sick. Is that the G80 over there?
Yeah.
And there's another G80. Fully stock. But damn, look at this. Whew. Alright, so the sun is coming out a little bit more. We could take a look at the paint. But yeah, I mean, they did a great job. The color is like spot on. Speckles in the sun, you know, you got that metallic flake in the sun. It looks really, really good. There are still like some swirls and stuff, but I mean, that'll be fine because this is gonna get PPF'd eventually and they'll do like, you know, the paint correction and stuff. But yeah, I mean, the bumper looks absolutely sick. It definitely changes, you know, the way this car looks. Yeah, it just looks so much more aggressive. And yeah, I really like the way it looks. And I'm really happy with how this turned out. Definitely worth the wait. Super sick. So I'm actually selling my OEM bumper. So this will be the only bumper that I have for, I guess, like the lifetime of this car now. But yeah, I mean, turned out really, really good. Like this thing is, yeah, this thing is crazy. I will be making a video in the near future talking about like all the mods on the car, you know, like the price point, how much I paid, and I'll probably talk about, you know, how much it costs, you know, with the bumper and without the bumper, just so you all get like a better idea. But the ADRO came out really, really good. Yeah, this thing looks super sick. Thanks all. Thanks for watching.